What if your weekend rig could take you from the bush to white sand, straight to a hot shower? This is the ultimate wagon fit-out from Outback Touring Solutions. Pop the tailgate, and everything stays exactly where it should, thanks to clever design and secure storage. But first, after a long drive, nothing hits like a cold drink. Pulling out the drawers is effortless, and the kitchen drawer has space for pans, pots, and dishes for two. The lid doubles as a cutting board. Absolutely genius. The fridge sits right above the kitchen drawer, always accessible. No digging around. It even integrates a workbench, giving you extra space to prep wherever you need it. And on the beach? One of the most used features is probably the ice cubes. There's nothing like an ice-cold drink with fresh lime in the sun. Time for some drone shots. But what about all your batteries? Phones, cameras, drones, laptops. With fast charging ports from Outback Touring Solutions, you never have to worry. The shelves beside the fridge are perfect for daily essentials: mosquito spray, lights, sunscreen, you name it. With a fully charged drone, let's see if we get some epic shots. Before the sun sets, it's time to rinse off all that sand, sunscreen, and sweat. No problem, thanks to Outback Touring Solutions' brilliant design. Turn on the water heater, hook in the shower head, and you're ready. We also use it to wash our feet before heading into the rooftop tent. The heater draws about 32 amps per hour, taking roughly 10 minutes to reach 50 degrees. While the water heats, I set up the integrated table, which doubles as a second bench. Perfect for dinner or a card game tonight. Takes less than 20 seconds. Time to light up the campfire. And while it does its thing, a shower after a hot day? Total game changer. Outback Touring Solutions really nailed it. Installed in the gull wings is the shower box, connecting directly to the water heater behind the storage drawer and to the water tank. The Seaflow water pump sits on a custom bracket behind a panel, rock solid, even off-road. Every cable, every hose, every connection is protected. On rough tracks, nothing gets damaged, nothing rattles. You can pack everything into the wings without a second thought. And if you forget to turn off the water pump, don't worry, it stops automatically. How good is that? Dinner time is effortless. Open the kitchen slide away the bench top, secure if necessary, and turn on the inverter. Grab your food from the fridge, plates and pans from the kitchen drawer, and fire up the induction cooktop with just a tap. Instant heat and completely windproof. We all know the struggle with a gas cooker on a windy day. 120 amps per hour of pure convenience. The integrated cutlery drawer underneath the cooktop holds everything you need for cooking and dining. Tonight, sausages on the barbecue plate. Perfect. And that lid you can use as a cutting board? Still a lovable genius touch. If the music stops because the speaker battery dies, just plug it into the 240-volt sockets and the night keeps going. We charge our JBL 320 while the music pumps. No problem. Battery still at 85%. Plenty of power left. Every drawer, every cable, every surface. Engineered to be useful. Built to last. Designed to make the outdoors effortless, not limiting. Outback Touring Solutions turns a wagon into a weekend powerhouse, a rolling base camp, a smarter way to explore. Ready to go further and stay comfortable? Discover the full build at Outback Touring Solutions.